Today, my future trader, I'm gonna go through the review for Monday. Today, the 20. I'm gonna show you the trade that I take today. I only take one trade, and let's go through that. Let's go. Let's see how we check this out real quick. So I take a trade right here today in this level. I'm gonna tell you real quick the reason I take this trade. As you can see, it was like around 12 o'clock, 12:15 around that time. The market was moving on a range direction, kind of consolidating all the time, so back and forth, you know what I mean? So I figured out, okay, if I want to take a trade in this range, you have to basically go PV point to PV point. In this case, I know we got more momentum to the upside today. Like as you can see, we was trading hard today. So I was like, you know what? If I want to take a trade in this range, I want to take a long trade. So I take it buy. At this time, like around 11:55, I started watching it. The market went up, then went down. It was holding it right here in this level. So the price went up again. Push, 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 all the way back to this PV point again. And I said, okay. So it was rejected at this level right here. This level was acting as a resistance right here, so it went down, pushing the price down again, and went back to this PV point right here. As you can see, we're touching this level, this PV point. I'm gonna stretch this out. You see that level right there, that range, that's some. So what I decided to do was like, you know what? I see we got some little consolidation right here. These areas, you can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4 candle kind of consolidating. And since I'm ready to trade the range, so I was my target price was kind of looking for this level right here, the high of 24, 324. So I was watching in this trend right here. Price was holding right here, this level. This PV point was holding this. It was acting as a support. I was, you know what? Face green candle taking over the red candle and going in. So that's what I did. At this point right here, push all the way up, taking over this red candle. I decided to enter right here and hold it till basically I was trying to get all the way around here. So my strategy is basically a 10 to 20 point move for a range like this. So I was like, you know what? Right here, if I enter here all the way to this kind of level, it's almost 10 point. So I take it right here, the 307, and I hold it all the way to 319. I didn't hold it to 320. I hold it to 319, and that gave me my 10 point. That was I take it one trade, two contra. That gave me $400 easily in 10 point. I think it was like 11 point at that point already. So because I entered the 17, I entered the 307, my bad, and then I sell when it was 18 and a half around it. So I make like 11 points. That's how you trade the range, guy. If you decided to trade, take any trade at the moment of a range, please make sure you look for kind of support, resistance, you know, and then take decision based on that. In these scenarios, I was like, okay, we got this PV point down here. This PV point was holding the price right here. As you can see, we got the price kind of consolidating in this area, and I decided to take a trade when I saw the face green candle take it over the red candle, and that's what happened. It went up 10 point. I take a profit, get in, take profit, and that's it. I'm done for the day. I take only one trade today, and I take this trade in a range soon. So look at how the market was doing today. If you go to the 15-minute chart, it was kind of trendy out today, you know, especially at the moment today, 12 o'clock. As you can see, we got 12 o'clock right here. You see, it was kind of trending hard, and since it was trending high today, I said to myself, you know what, I'm gonna get more momentum trade if I taking a buy, and that's what happened. That's it for today, guys. That was my trade. I kind of only take one trade. This is my rule. My plan is taking one or two trades per day. no more than that. And this time I only take one, $400. That's fine. Okay, and that's how it is. Take it easy. This account so far for this month, we got a 3 trade so far in this account. We haven't lost anything. So 3 trades so far in this account, 1,300. You know what I mean? Like, it's kind of simple. You don't have to go so crazy taking so many trades every single day. No, keep it simple. Keep it simple, guys. That was my range strategy right there. That's how I take trade when the market is kind of on the range. PV point to PV point. You cannot go using any indicator. You gotta go purely price action in this case. So that's why it is more important to focus on learning price action than anything else. And then you can add some indicators and stuff like that to help you with the momentum to figure out when the market starting trending. In this scenario, the market wasn't trending, so you gotta go PV point to PV point strategy and take it from there. That's how you really gotta do it when the market is trending on the consolidation areas and stuff like that, or on the range, whatever you gotta call it. So that's it, guys, for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me, like this video, share this video if you wanna spread out the knowledge, and see you guys next time.